So we got invited back to Fork and Film, and today's gonna be one of my most favorite freaking movies of all time. These plates of food, they're all gonna be so delicious. You hear that? Based on that, what do you think it is? It's Ratatouille! Look at this, you guys. Come with me, and let's go into a different world. And somewhere in France. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. It's so magnifique. Oh my goodness. Hi. How are you? I'm good. Yes.
Take a seat. Give me 1 second, okay?
Thank you. The lady's singing live. Now you guys, they always bring someone or like a band or something live that is in coherence with the movie. So last time we came, me and Chino saw Princess and the Frog, and they had a live band from New Orleans playing throughout the movie, and it was just so amazing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this experience. If you guys are in the LA area and want to try this place out, it's called Fork and Film. Make sure you guys come and check them out. They are absolutely amazing. The service, the experience, everything overall, chef's kiss. It's only appropriate to say that because it's Ratatouille. So let's get into it.
I'm really excited.
What do you think? What are you expecting out of this experience?
Honestly, to eat a lot of food and to watch a movie, right? And get drunk.
That's like the main. Yeah, those like the main things.
She just asked us if we're drinking, so I assume they like serve you drinks too, which we already got champagne, so.
I'm telling you guys right now, you need an idea for a date night.
Yeah,
it's a pricey one, but this is very well worth it. You get a full experience plus a movie, and it's just so much more interactive than any other theater or any other movie experience I've ever been to.
Enjoy. Let me know if you guys need anything else. Okay?
Thank you so much. Here we go. Look at this. Little chef. Little chef, Fork and Film. And you have the menu. Look at the way that they designed it. A little burst of colors and flavors. Rat poison is what we're gonna drink.
Rat poison?
I've never drank rat poison.
Oh my god, I can't wait.
Wow, I love the way that they have this all set up. They let you know exactly what you're gonna get, the kind of meals that you're gonna have, what it all comes with. And I believe that you can keep these little menus.
Alright, how's everyone doing tonight? Excellent. First, let's give a big shout out to our in-house musician, Miss Jessica Pichot. She has an amazing sound, and she is available on Instagram if you'd like to check her out. Hopefully she puts you guys in the French mood. Speaking of, bonjour, ho ho, oui oui. Welcome to our little slice of party. Welcome to Fork and Film, everyone. My name is Charity. I'm one of the servers here. I would like to welcome you guys to this showing of Ratatouille. Here at Fork and Film, we love movies, we love food, we love putting the two together, and we especially love eating the same food that we see on the screen. So congratulations on having the fastest clicking fingers in the West. I know those tickets were not easy to get, but you made it. And now it's time to reap those rewards. And to that effect, we're not like a normal movie theater. We highly encourage you guys to take full advantage of this immersive movie dining experience. All right, Friday night, let's get this party started. Any questions? Good. Here's Ratatouille.
And it starts. So I'm gonna be coming in and out of the movie, and I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly what we get every single time, okay? You guys are gonna experience this immersive experience with me, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's enjoy the food together. Would you like a? I can't wait to taste it. I want just like the boom, the zap.
What would you call that flavor?
It's almost there.
It's lightningy.
Lightningy! Oh, you gotta do that again! Oh, when the next roll comes, we'll go up.
There it goes, there it goes, there
I know
it
what it
goes.
means. Saffron! A little saffron would make this! Just the greatest chef in the world wrote this cookbook. Here we go.
mushroom
Man,
with
does
cheese.
Dad know?
I've never liked mushroom, but this is good mushroom.
With things Dad doesn't know. And they have. Which is why I read. Which is also our secret.
I don't like secrets. All this cooking and reading and TV watching while we read and cook.
After so many years as a child watching this and waiting to try this, I finally get my opportunity because he's gonna fix the soup.
Dude.
And I'm popcorn is crack. So good. Oh my god. These are all the beautiful ingredients that throw in the soup that we can buy. This little spoon. And voila. Voila, mon chéri. Take the little ingredients and sprinkly splash. Add a dash. And he has the sauces. He's gonna put the sauces in. Smells so good, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Add a dash here. Add some crumbs there. And then add the cheese, of course. You gotta sprinkle it off the cheese, right? Gotta mix it in the way he does.
Right up. What are you waiting for? This is gonna become a regular thing on your walk.
Thank you, by the way, for all the advice about cooking. For what?
Oh my god, that smells beautiful. Take a little tasty taste.
What? How did he change it? He changed it.
It's good. I'm gonna try it now. It's rat poison. Look at this, so poisonous. Let's have a little sippy.
This side.
Where are you going?
What? Forward.
Attention. Attention, everyone. Tonight is a big night. Appetite is coming, and he's going to have a big ego. I mean, ego.
And the meal that he's gonna make is ratatouille. I've waited all my life to try this little dish.
They serve this more alcohol.
It's here, it's here. This looks just like the movie. I've waited my entire life to try this one little dish, and now I get the chance to. Me and Lexi are gonna try it for you guys on camera.
Yeah, we're gonna do a taste test.
What? And I make no ratatouille. Well, how would you prepare it?
It's so cool because we get to eat it as they're making it too, and we have it right in front of us.
This is so cool. It's pretty much all vegetables, but you know, I love a good veggie.
It's good. It's really good. Have you guys ever had that experience where you like taste something or smell something and it takes you right back to like a childhood moment or a memory? The guy said that it was, oh, I get it now. They just said it's a peasant dish and they didn't grow up with a lot. Wow.
Risk suffering, and after the discovery of
How do they say it with the French?
World is all
Crème brûlée.
new creations.
Cream in a cup.
Cream in a cup. Wow.
Thank you guys so much for joining us for this showing of Ratatouille. Here at Fork and Film, we do everything with love and creativity. Hope you guys got the experience there with every dish and every bite. Also, special shout out to the chef, servers, and especially bartenders who hooked you guys up. Please feel free to enjoy those last sips and bites of your food and drink. If you have any last minute questions, please feel free to ask your servers. And if you do feel so inclined and feel like leaving a ratatouille, please, we accept cash or the QR code at the front of you. crazy crowd. And have a wonderful rest of your weekend. And just to end this on a French note, on that du fromage croissant, au revoir. Good night.
That was the coolest. That was like the most fun thing I've ever been to. If you want something that's like different that you could experience with someone you love, like I would recommend this place for sure.
And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it may be a little pricey, but I promise you guys the price makes sense for the entire experience that you're
you
getting.
get like hella drinks, hella food. You get to watch a movie.
And you know what's crazy? I was telling Lex, whenever like these experiences make me appreciate the movie that much. I literally felt so emotional at the end. Like I legitimately wanted to shed a tear. I don't know if it's because
Don't
like
lie, you can tell them the truth.
no, I seriously loved it. It made like I grew up watching these films. You know, like I grew up watching this and. I always wanted to try everything that is presented to you on the film because you're like, man, I wonder what that tastes like.
Yeah, it's so cool, man. This is so cool.
It's so well worth it. I'm telling you guys, it is well worth it. Bring someone that you love, someone that loves diving into immersive experiences, someone that likes to try new things.
Yeah.
And if you have ever been nervous about trying something new, this is something I would 1000% like literally recommend to anybody. I will literally tell anybody that I see, oh, you want a date idea? This is a great date idea. Do you want something to get you out of the house? This is a great thing
Or
to get you out of
not
the house.
even like a date, like you could, but like even like a girls' night, like we just
Girls'
did.
night, bring a friend.
Yeah.
If you guys, they have
Super cool
You know,
vibes.
in June or in a few months, like I think they're gonna be having they're gonna be doing Nightmare Before Christmas. Look up Nightmare Before Christmas. They're gonna be including Little Mermaid soon. That's gonna be something new that they're bringing in, and I'm praying to God that they invite us to come and do this again because I love sharing these experiences with
This
you
is
guys.
so cool.
This has been one of the greatest experiences, as well as the last one when I saw Princess and the Frog. That was amazing. I give it 10 out of 10 every single time. They never fail to provide us with great entertainment, as well as telling funny jokes. And on top of that, the staff themselves have a great sense of humor. They're so polite, they're so kind, and they try to do their best to accommodate you. Fork and Film, look it up. You have to reserve way ahead of time. So if you're thinking about doing something like this, definitely look them up online. Check out the dates that they have available and book your reservation. It's worth it, I'm telling you. Now let's go bug the staff. Our main server, her name is Liz. This is her. You guys, oh, let's come over here. Okay. You guys will probably get to meet her if you guys come and book and make a reservation. She was amazing. So the question that I have for you is, what's been your favorite showing while working here?
So I've been here since the beginning, and I would have to say Princess and the Frog.
Oh my God, so you were here my very first time then too?
Really? Yes, it must have been. Yeah, I've been working since then.
Me and my boyfriend came and we were very surprised at tasting frog for the first time.
Oh my God, yeah, no, I didn't get to try it till maybe the last showing. That was very scary.
It was a very interesting texture, but it was a great experience because I've never tried frog, but that showing was so amazing.
Yeah, I just feel like everything was very authentic because the owners are from New Orleans.
I remember them saying that. You guys had a live band from there as well.
Yes.
Do you guys always have like something that has to do involved with the film?
We
like,
tried
as far
to.
as music?
Yeah, we tried to. So for this one, it was obviously French music. For the Mardi Gras was the band. I know that for one showing, we had a magician.
Oh my God.
It was amazing.
That's so dope.
We try to like really incorporate it into it.
Okay, so I have one more question for you. What showing that's coming up are you excited for?
The Little Mermaid.
You said that! If we get invited back, I am excited to show you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this experience. Again, this is Liz, so if you guys come and book, she will probably be one of the waitresses that you guys get to meet. So, I'm here with Charity. You guys got to see her giving us the introduction and the outro as well. She's literally, I told her she's a beam of light, so bubbly, so happy, so upbeat. Okay, so Miss Charity, what has been your favorite showing so far?
Favorite showing so far has probably been Princess and the Frog. I love the menu, I love the theme, I love the effects that we had, so that's definitely number one for me.
And you were also here as well the last time that we were here. We were actually seated, you actually take care of us, and it's so crazy because before we got here I was telling my friend, like, there's this one person that she introduces everything. She's so like, she's so bubbly, like you're gonna love her personality, and I was literally talking about you. And the last time that we were here, you were so amazing.
Thank you.
What
It's
was
so
the
sweet.
What was the question that you had asked me?
Oh yeah, so I was asking you, what did you think of this mini Ratatouille compared to the Princess and the Frog?
So, of course, I love Tiana so much. She's just so beautiful, and I love the friendship that her and her best friend have. Always thought it was so beautiful, and then it was so crazy because this experience for Ratatouille, I was just telling my friend that I brought today too. I was like, man, I feel like tearing up a little bit because of watching this so many times as a kid, and then always wanting to try the flavors and see them, like, you see their experiences when they try different things, and you're like, wow, I wonder what that tastes like. Why did they make that memory? Like,
exactly.
And it's so crazy because there was a moment where she said, oh, you're just gonna serve them that's a dish for peasants. And then I realized when he went back into his memory that they were poor.
Yeah, they were.
And I was like, wow, that didn't even resonate until now. And so I got so emotional. I was like, oh my god, I love this. This really brought this film so much more to life for me.
Yeah.
Especially from growing up as a child watching it, like, this was such a great experience.
And especially like that whole comfort food, like your mom is comforting you with this food. She's showing her love with this food, and then they serve it in a way that your mom made it.
Right.
And it just took you right back to childhood.
I said,
that's awesome.
Have you ever smelled something or like saw something that just took you right back to the first time you saw it or felt it or remembered it? And that's exactly what I saw from it. I was like, wow, that's so
nice.
Sweet.
So this one has a special place
a little bit
in your heart. That's understandable.
But I hope you guys enjoyed her intros and outros. If you guys come and book, you guys are definitely gonna meet her because I believe you guys are on the same staff that.
Yes, we're the same staff.
Show.
But pretend like you heard my speech for the first time.
I mean, I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it when you see it the first time as well in real life. Remember, this is also in Los Angeles. Make sure you guys come check it out. Book your reservations ahead of time. And I promise you, you guys will have the best, most immersive experience that they have to offer. I hope you guys like the whole experience. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 넌 겨울. Yeah, 거리고 blood. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 기출들. 꿈에도 I wasn't aware. 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해.